Good morning. Next topic, land resources. So these land resources are forest, agricultural, settlement. These are the few applications of land resources, and in these are the major land resources uses. Land is used for the agricultural purpose, and it contains huge amount of minerals, and it provides food materials. It also contains water in the form of underground water, and most of the animals and their habitat is present on the land, and the land it provides resource to fulfill the basic needs of human civilization, that is food, cloth and shelter it provides. So everything that is provided only from the land. So this land provides food material, wood, food material, cloth material and shelter, medicine, in water, minerals, everything it provides. So this land we need to protect it, because so the major impact on the land is two ways. One is soil erosion. These are the two natural processes. One is soil erosion, and the second one is landslides. So in the soil erosion, it is the movement of soil components. So soil is nothing, land is different, soil is different. So soil is nothing but it is nearly 1 to 1.5 centimeters top layer of the earth is known as soil. It is fertile and it is used for the agricultural purpose and many applications. Okay. So this is the top soil. This is the top layer of the earth is known as soil. So this soil get affected in three ways. So because of water and weight and people, that is human activities. So these are the three major causes for the soil erosion. So most of the and this soil erosion, because of water, it's mainly classified into three categories. One is splash erosion, sheet erosion, rill erosion, gully erosion, and bank erosion. So first I will start with the sheet erosion. Sheet means number of layers. So in the earth, the land is present in number of layers, uniform with a uniform thickness. So because of surface runoff, the top layer, complete top layer is removed with a uniform thickness, then that is a sheet erosion. And second one is rill erosion. Rill erosion means, so due to heavy rainfall in the agricultural areas and in normal grounds, so the water is moving in a downward direction. In that process, so the topsoil is also moving with the water, and we are observing fingers in shape, that is rill erosion. And next one is gully erosion. Gully erosion means the heavy due to heavy rainfall, so cavities or U-shaped cavities are formed, like in U shape or V shape. That is gully erosion. So these are the three erosions. One is sheet erosion, and second one is rill erosion. That is in the finger type shape erosion, that is rill erosion, and gully erosion, it is in U shape or in V shape. And next one is bank erosion. Near the rivers, streams, the edges near the banks are the heavy due to floods, heavy rainfall near the areas are submerged, and the top layer of the soil is completely removed. That is known as bank erosion. So, and last one is slip erosion or splash erosion. In this erosion, this is generally we are observing near the slopes of the hills. That type of erosion is known as splash erosion. These are the major classification. And how to control this soil erosion? There are few methods are there. One is vegetation, second one is counter farming, and third one is building retaining walls, and fourth one is windbreakers, and fifth one is conservation tillage, and last one is sixth one is mulching. So out of these, there are three are most important. One is vegetation, counter farming, and windbreakers. So vegetation is the simplest process. So already we are discussed in the advantages of forest or use of forest. It protects the soil. It protects the soil from the erosion. So here also same application which binds the plants. So this is the simplest and natural process. The plants roots are which tightly binds the soil. So it prevents the soil erosion. Is the simplest and easiest process. And next one is counter farming. Counter farming, generally this type of farming we are applying in near the hill areas. So these are in a different rows. One is in up and down. Okay. So farming up and down on the hills. So this is counter farming. Otherwise, due to rainfall, the top layer from the top end of the hill to bottom end, the top layer is completely removed to protect that one. So we are farming in a lines. So these lines, one is in up and another one is down with a different lines. That is counter farming. And next one is windbreakers. So in the windbreakers, it's a that trees or plants are near the agricultural areas. So which protects the agricultural crops from the strong winds. That is known as windbreakers. And next one is, so these are the major effects of soil erosion. So loss of topsoil, first effect, loss of nutrients. So these nutrients are generally present in the topsoil, and decreased productivity. So if the topsoil is completely removed, so the plant's survival is very difficult, because the minerals are deposited on the surface, and it takes so many years to convert a land to soil. So if the topsoil is removed, it is very difficult for the plant survival and growth. And the second one, uh, pollution is also one example, that is soil pollution in the mining activities. So we are digging the holes and it is stripped of the material on the surface. So the topsoil is completely removed. That is soil erosion. And by constructing dams and reservoirs also, we are clearing the topsoil. That is also another reason. Air quality problems. The minerals are pure materials. Metals are present on the surface. It may react with the air and convert into their respective oxides. That's also one reason. Effects on drinking water quality. Everything it is related to soil erosion. Redistribution of pollutants and toxins. Because so in the mining process, it contaminates the air, water, and soil. So this is the example effect of the soil pollution, soil erosion. Sorry. So next one is landslides. So a landslide is also a landslip is a geological phenomenon, and that includes wide range of ground movements such as rock falls, deep failure of slopes, and shallow debris follows, and everything that is landslides. The major reasons for the landslides are, one is gravity works more effectively on the steeper slope. So, and second one is geological factors. In the geological factors, so if if we are over exploitation of groundwater, so we are completely using groundwater. So the soil, between the soil between the solid particles. So previously water is there, so it tightly binds the soil particles. So when the water is completely removed by using bore wells and wells, so the material, whatever the material which binds the soil particles, that material is absent. Now the soil in these two particles, so in between the space, air is entered. Because of that, these landslides are happened. And next one is prolonged rainfall. So due to this is generally we are observing near the hill areas. And last one is earthquakes. In the earthquakes, the Deccan Plateau is moving in one direction, and is Himalayan areas are moving in another direction. In these, because of these vibrations, generally landslides are happening. And effects of landslides are, so the top or in the path of landslide will suffer a severe damage. And second, rubble block the roads, lines of communication or waterways are severely affected. And sometimes the earthquakes are near the dams under high pressure. These are also severely affected. So properties of destruction of buildings are also happened. So thank you.